Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Gutierrez, and welcome to my course, Charting Data with Excel. I'm a software engineer and data analyst, and I'm always looking for effective ways to visualize complex information. Microsoft Excel has been around for over 30 years, but its data visualization capabilities have never been better. This course will start with a few of the most common chart types in Excel, enhance them with interesting features, then move on to the most recent additions. Some of the major topics that we will cover include inserting and changing charts, and there are several ways to do this in Excel, working with multiple data series, which typically adds different colored elements, using trend lines and secondary axes to enhance an existing chart, and creating special chart types like the tree map and box and whisker chart. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build a full dashboard of compelling visuals for your data. Before beginning the course, you should be comfortable working with cells and data in worksheets. From here, continue your learning by diving into advanced charting with courses on pivot charts, chart formatting, and chart templates. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn several interesting chart types with the Charting Data with Excel course at Pluralsight.